Hi, welcome dear students. Hope you are doing good. This is third video of chapter 2. Today I am going to discuss searching for the file folders. You can see there are number of ways to find files and folders in Windows 7, Windows 8 or Windows 10. Okay. So now going to discuss use the search box on the start menu. This is the easiest and the most direct way to search in the search box on the start menu. Okay. So how will you open? How will you in the search box? First of all, click on the start button and then type a word or part of a word in the search box. Okay, so you can see this one in the Windows bottom left corner. You can see the first of all click on the start button and then type a word or part of word in the search box. Okay, when you type a word item, you can see the match your text will appear on the start menu. When you typing, you will get some related search. Okay, it will appear on the start menu. Okay, so, so this is the autofill. This is the autofill. When you type something, it's some suggestions appears in the search box. Okay, the search results are based on the text in the file name, text in the file, tags, and other file properties. Okay. And now you can click the desired file name to open it. Understand? So this is the search box on the start menu. Now you can search using the search box in a folder. So how will you able to search this one using search box in a folder? First of all, open the folder or drive that you want to search. Okay, in the search box you can see this option in the top right corner of the Windows. Okay, and there you just need to type a word or part of a word. Okay, when you type the word, the content of the folder are filtered and it will reflect in your what you type there. Okay, so when you see the file or item that you want, okay, then stop typing there and you get the result there. And when you double click the item, you will get the result. Okay, so first of all, go to the search box folder. Where will you get? You will get this in the top right corner of your computer, top right corner, and just need to you will see the rectangular box there. Okay, and just need to type the text what you want to search. Thereafter you will get the desired result. Then click on the link text, double click on it and it will open. I hope you understood how to search using the start menu and using the search box in a folder. Now I am going to discuss adding search filters. adding search filters using this search, you can see the search box and then click a search filter. You know, click on the available options or type your own. Okay, there are various options there you can see, and you can search using the available option. The content of the folder will reflect your selection when you are going to search using the date wise. Okay, months, select the date and month, and you will able to see the desired result, the particular of the particular date range. Just to, and also the content of the folder will reflect your selection. Thereafter you can just need to double click and double click on the item to open it. So now you are able to search the result using the search filter. For example, click on date modified to select a date range to search, or type to select a file type to search. Okay. I hope you understood the various types of search which I explained. Use the search box in the start menu, using the search box in a folder, or adding search filter. Thanks for watching you.